What's up, guys? I'm back, and today we're gonna be. I'm just gonna be sharing with you how I kept the skin underneath my eye firm and tight. Basically, when you meet anyone, you can tell that they're aging when you look underneath the eye, the skin under the eyes, and the neck and the hands. So today, I'm gonna share with you what I normally use. So this is the Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patches, and I'm gonna be talking about the Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. And then also I'm going to be talking about our two different types of eye cream from the Timewise Repair and eye cream from the Timewise 3D Age Minimizing Miracle Set. So first, let's start with the Mary Kay Hydrogel Eye Patches. This is an amazing product. It comes with a lid, a secure lid that secures the patches inside, and it's got like a gel-like substance in it. So also it comes as a pair of 30, so that's 60 altogether. So it's 30 pairs for one eye each. So I'm just gonna demonstrate. Since I've done my nails, you're gonna have to take your time my hands are already cleaned with satin hands, so you're gonna have to be careful to pick it up with your hands. So usually it comes with a spatula as well, because I'm used to it. And yeah, it's already fitted for the shape under your eyes. So that's how you apply it, like so. And take your time to take the other one and put it underneath your left eye. Basically you will feel like some tingling sensation if you're using this for the first time, but don't be scared. It's basically the gel sinking itself in your skin. So, and this is how you apply it. So you just use your fingers to just make sure it's nicely laid. They're very delicate, so don't pull it too hard, otherwise it will just kind of like tear or just kind of like go uneven. So, and then you use your ring finger, middle fingers, you just dab, and yes, and then you just close the tub and make sure it's nicely closed, and then you put that away. And then you can also just wipe out any gel-like residue on your hands and on the tub as well. Now at this stage, you can leave it for 20 to 30 minutes. I usually just go in the middle, 25 minutes. So I'm just going to leave this on for 25 minutes. Basically what it does, it instantly revives the skin under the eyes, and it also delivers a refreshing boost of hydration. So if your eyes are normally tired, so if you're one of those people, you're always in front of the TV or the computer, it could be at your work, and you need this, so yeah, that's me just splashing my hands for like 20 minutes or 25 or 30. So you've got up to 30 minutes to leave this on while it does its work. So my 25 minutes is over, and I've done my afro puff, my updo, my favorite at the moment. So I'm giving my hair a break because I'm on holiday. So my 25 minutes is over. I'm just going to take it off. As you can see, my eyes feel very refreshed and hydrated. So I'm going to take the other one, and then I'm just going to still just blend the product, the gel-like product, underneath the eye, making sure it goes in properly. Like I said, when you meet someone, they can tell you're aging when they look underneath your eye. So it's an area that is so delicate. The skin is very delicate, and we really have to take care of our skin. So if you want to be in your 40s like me and you want to look young, youthful and fabulous, it's a lot of work, but I'm used to it, and so are you. You can get used to that too. So the next product I'm just going to apply now is the Indulge Soothing Eye Gel. So it's like light blue in color, And all you need is just a tiny bit. So you can use your ring finger or middle finger and just to dab around your eyes. So what this does though, it just helps reduce the appearance of puffiness. So that's what it does though. So it helps to remove the appearance of puffiness. I've met like a handful of people, both men and women, who have puffiness under the eyes. So what this does, it just help reduce the appearance of puffiness. So it's unisex. Anyone can, both men and women, you know, it's unisex. Anyone can get this product. So here is it again. This will last you for like 2 years because you only need just a little bit. So it's good, great for family. And yes, I'm just gonna leave that in to sink it for another 3 to 5 minutes. So this is how I maintain my youthful look. So a whole lot of hard work. You can tell I invest a lot in skincare because I like to age gracefully and beautifully. Oh, so I'm kind of like just giving it some air so they can dry up. It can dry up really quickly before I move on to the next one. So because I'm doing a video, that's why I'm speeding it up. But normally, normal life, you can leave it to dry for 3 minutes. Yeah, 2-3 minutes, and then you can apply your face creams or your moisturizer and then your makeup, etc. But today is skincare, so I'm not doing makeup today. So it's skincare. So particularly under eye skincare. Yeah. So I'm just removing all the residue from my face. I think I used a tissue before and I didn't kind of wipe my hands properly. So I had like little particles of them on my face. So I'm just making sure everything is completely gone. So this is the third product. This is Timewise Repair Volu-Firm Eye Renewal Cream. So this is the eye renewal cream, and the other product is basically the Timewise Age Minimize 3D eye cream. So there's a difference. So this one basically, what it does, it awakens tired eyes and it gives them a lifted look with the eye pampering cream basically. So it targets deep lines, dark circles, sagging, bags, and upper eyelid drop. So this is basically like the all-in-one, the ultimate that you will need. So if you're suffering from dark circles, or you have dark circles, you have saggy bags, and you have upper eyelid drop, so you can use this product. So it's not just underneath the eye, you can also use it on the upper eyelid as well. Like if it appears like it's swollen, you can use it on top of your eyelid. So it comes like with a roller, so you don't really have to use your finger, and you can just squeeze it from the bottom and then just roll it underneath your eye and on top if you have to. So now let's move on to the Timewise Age Minimize 3D eye cream. So what this does, it helps remove multiple signs of aging and fatigue, so including the appearance of dark circles, under eye puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles. It also moisturizes for up to 12 hours. So you can already tell the difference between the Timewise Repair Volu-Firm Eye Renewal Cream and the Timewise Age Minimize 3D Eye Cream. So this is what I use every single day. I use the Timewise Age Minimize 3D Eye Cream. I've used this consistently for the past 24 months and counting, because basically it diminish the appearance of dark circles, under eye puffiness, fine lines, and wrinkles, and it also moisturizes the skin underneath the eye. So even if you're deciding which one to get, this one or the Timewise Repair Volu-Firm, I will recommend both because I'm using both basically, because the Timewise Repair Volu-Firm, in addition, what it does, it's basically targets sagging bags and the upper eyelid drop. So basically those are the two advantage that it has compared to the Timewise Age Minimize 3D eye cream. But I will recommend every single one of these products today, all 4 of them, from the hydrogel patch. So basically, finally, after I've apply my eye creams to keep the skin under my eye firm. I'm going to apply my Timewise Age Minimize 3D Day Cream with SPF 30. So basically what this does as well, it works as an antioxidant to help neutralize free radicals. It also re-energizes your skin's natural youthful glow, and it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is for your face. It comes in 2 formulas, so I'm using combination to oily. There's also another formula for normal to dry. I'm very generous when I usually use my facial creams. So this is how I apply them. I like to give myself a little bit under the neck, and so is the back as well. And I just, you know, use outward upward motion to let it sink into the skin. So this is basically my secrets, guys. So I've never gone under the knife. I don't need to, and I can invest that money into something else, but this is what I do. I do this. By the way, I don't do this every single day. The hydrogel eye patch, I use that at least once a week, and the advanced eye cream, which is the Timewise Repair, I use that at least twice a week. But the Timewise Age Minimize 3D eye cream, I use that on a daily basis. That's a must. I'm so used to it. So this is how I apply my skincare, just to take care of under the eyes, and also my day cream SPF. It's because I'm about to go out. I'm not wearing any makeup today, so you can tell my skin is already protected. Look at that. Very firm, vibrant, young, fresh, healthy, beautiful, natural. Just look at that. Look at that. I mean, it takes a lot of time, but if you're doing this on a daily basis, I mean, within 5 to 7 minutes, you're done, because that's how I don't spend too long. I'm used to it, but I'm doing a video, so it's going to take us 10 to 15 minutes because I have to show you. So there you go. This is the Mary Kay Hydrogel patch for the eyes, and that's the Indulge Soothing Gel. That's just going to minimize puffiness. And that's the Timewise Repair Volu-Firm Renewal Eye Cream. And then the Timewise Age Minimize 3D Eye Cream. And then followed by my Timewise Age Minimize 3D Day Cream SPF 30. That's for the face. That's not for under the eyes. There's a difference. So I've used 4 different products for under the eyes today to take care of the skin under the eyes. And then 1 for the face. So there's a difference. So I'm going to leave the descriptions beneath this video, the price. I'm gonna link my Mary Kay website and email. And that's it, guys. Stay blessed. Love you. Bye.